Hi, I'm Ellie. Welcome to my colorful world. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can transfer our favorite design onto a fabric cushion. I've prepared a Christmas themed design to decorate my home. First, I sketched it on a paper. Now, with the help of a carbon paper, attached to the back of my drawing, I'll start transforming it onto the fabric. Okay, I fixed the design on the part of the cushion. Now, I fixed the design on the part of the cushion where I went to paint. And then gently trace over it with a sharp pencil or really any tool with a fine tip, and take my time and do this carefully. can see that the design has been transferred onto the cushion, ready for painting. I'd love for you to join me in the next part of this video, where we'll bring this cute Santa Claus to life with colors. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and drop them into the comments. I'd be happy to connect with you there. Thank you.